Cancer, something in your energy right now feels like a quiet turning point. You've been carrying this inner feeling that life is preparing you for something you can't fully see yet, like you're standing in the doorway of a new timeline but haven't stepped through it. There's a sense of emotional readiness mixed with practical caution. You want what's coming, but you also don't want to be hurt again. And that's exactly why the energy around you is shifting. You're finally walking toward what's meant for you, not what you've outgrown. Hi, love. It's Ira. Your field is glowing in a way that tells me you're aligning with something bigger than your current plans. Let me show you what's unfolding, card by card, exactly the way Spirit wants you to see it. The first energy that steps forward is the Four of Wands, and this is a huge confirmation that stability and celebration are entering your life from a direction you didn't anticipate. This card shows that something foundational is solidifying. A relationship, a home situation, a career opportunity, or an emotional chapter that brings relief instead of pressure. You've been waiting for something to finally feel safe, and this card brings that reassurance. What stands out is the sense of belonging. You're stepping into a space where your energy feels welcomed rather than misunderstood. You'll notice the people around you becoming more supportive, more receptive, and more aligned with your heart. You've been craving emotional safety, and now you're being guided into environments that give you exactly that. This card also shows a surprising invitation or opening, a moment where you realize something you thought was over isn't actually finished. It's just returning in a healthier form. It could be a conversation, a connection, or an opportunity that reappears with new potential. Most importantly, the Four of Wands brings the message that the next step of your life is not chaotic. It's grounding, steady, celebratory. You're entering a chapter where you can breathe again. The next energy unfolding is the Moon, which makes perfect sense for you, Cancer, because this card speaks your emotional language. What this tells me is that you've been navigating a deep internal shift. Fears, intuition, dreams, and suppressed desires rising to the surface. You've been questioning what's real, who's real, and what your spirit is truly leading you toward. This card reflects the emotional work you've been doing silently. No one sees how much you've been healing. No one knows how many nights you've stayed awake working through your own thoughts. But Spirit sees it, and the Moon appearing now means your clarity is about to return. What felt overwhelming will soon make sense. There's also a message here about someone whose energy has been confusing you. The Moon shows their intentions becoming clearer soon, not through their words, but through their actions. Watch what they do next. It will reveal everything you've been sensing intuitively. This card also confirms that your intuition is at its strongest right now. You're not imagining the signs, synchronicities, or sudden emotional hits. You're being guided step by step into alignment, even when it feels unsettling. The next card flowing in is the King of Cups, and this is where emotional maturity and deep connection enter the picture. This energy shows someone either currently in your life or arriving soon who holds emotional depth, sincerity, and steadiness. The kind of person who doesn't run from feelings or connection. They understand your sensitivity, not as a weakness, but as a superpower. This card also reflects your own emotional evolution. You've reached a point where you're no longer reacting from old wounds. You're responding from wisdom, clarity, and inner calm. Even situations that used to trigger you feel manageable now. You're moving into emotional authority, not being controlled by your feelings, but leading with your heart in a grounded way. The King of Cups also brings emotional support from an unexpected direction. Someone shows up with kindness, reassurance, or guidance exactly when you need it. You won't have to ask. They'll simply appear. And for some of you, this card shows a potential love interest or reconnection deepening in an authentic way. Slow, steady, real, not chaotic. Love is becoming safer for you than it's ever felt before. The next energy is the Eight of Pentacles, which brings your attention to long-term growth. You've been consistently putting in effort somewhere. emotionally, spiritually, financially, or in your personal development. And this card confirms that nothing has been wasted. Every difficult step you took is now turning into progress you can actually see. The Eight of Pentacles highlights the rebuilding of your confidence. You're starting to trust yourself again, your decisions, your vision, your capacity to improve your life. You're stepping into mastery, even if you don't fully notice it yet. This card also brings the message that something you've been working on silently will now start attracting attention. People will notice your talent, your consistency, your discipline. You're not in the background anymore. You're stepping into visibility. And before we continue, this is where your message shifts. If you want your full 2026 forecast, love, money, career, destiny shifts, blessings, and spiritual breakthroughs, it's available for $155. This next year is massive for you, and I want you to walk into it prepared. The next energy appearing is the Page of Cups, a gentle but powerful shift in emotional openness. This card shows a message, conversation, or breakthrough that softens your heart. It might be someone expressing something unexpectedly, or a new curiosity awakening within you. This energy brings sweetness back into your life, something you've desperately needed. The Page of Cups also reveals that your creativity or intuition will spike suddenly. You'll feel inspired again after a period of emotional heaviness. Your dreams may become prophetic, your instincts sharper, your inner voice clearer. Pay attention to your subtle impulses. They're guiding you toward something meaningful. This card also hints at someone reaching out with sincerity. It's not dramatic or intense. It's simple, honest, real. The kind of emotional gesture that makes you feel seen instead of overwhelmed. And the deeper message? You're reconnecting with the parts of yourself that you lost while surviving. The softness, the playfulness, the imagination, they're all returning. Next, the Six of Pentacles flows in, showing a major shift in giving and receiving. This card reveals better balance entering your relationships, your finances, and your emotional exchanges. You're no longer pouring into people who don't pour back. What's important is that this card shows you receiving something you've earned but never expected: support, money, an opportunity, or recognition. The scale is tipping in your favor because you've finally learned to value your own worth. It also highlights healthier connections forming. Someone steps forward with generosity or consistency that surprises you, not as a favor, but because they genuinely want to show up. You're attracting people who match your sincerity now. And this card marks a turning point. You're done with imbalance. You're entering connections that feel mutual, supportive, and fair. The seventh energy entering your reading is the Chariot, your own card, Cancer, meaning you're stepping into your true power. This is forward movement after months of emotional stagnation. This is direction, clarity, confidence, and momentum returning all at once. This card shows a major personal breakthrough. You taking control of your life in a way you haven't felt in years. Decisions come easier. Motivation returns. You stop settling for half efforts and half love. You're choosing yourself with strength instead of guilt. The Chariot also reveals triumph. Something you've been struggling with silently is now being resolved. You're crossing a threshold into a more powerful version of yourself. And love, if you're still here with me, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. It keeps these messages flowing to you and helps this space grow. The final card arriving is the Ten of Cups, the emotional culmination you've secretly been praying for. This is happiness returning to your life in a stable, grounded way. Not fantasy, not false hope, not temporary relief. Real joy, real harmony, real emotional fulfillment. This card shows healing within your close relationships. Family, partnership, or the people you consider home. Peace replaces tension. Understanding replaces confusion. Love flows easier than it has in a long time. It also reveals something long-term forming emotionally, a connection or situation that brings the kind of comfort and consistency you've always craved. The emotional security you've been longing for is no longer a dream. It's becoming your reality. Most importantly, The Ten of Cups confirms that you're stepping into a future where you feel supported, loved, and emotionally safe. You're not settling for breadcrumbs anymore. You're receiving the whole feast. Affirmation for you: I am walking into emotional safety, stability, and clarity. I trust the direction my spirit is guiding me.